Hello, for this tutorial, I use a 15 centimeter wire in 1.4 millimeter diameter in this kind and 3.5 size of yarn, but you can use around 3 to 4 size and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. You will need a glue, scissor, and darning needle. Now let's make the sepal. Form a magic ring. Chain, then add 10 double crochet inside the ring. Once done with the 10 double crochet inside the ring, pull this tail and make a slip stitch into this first stitch, then chain of 6, single crochet second chain from the hook, half double crochet, and then double crochet in the next 3 chains. Then after that, slip stitch, skip this chain here and slip stitch in the next. Repeat a chain of 6, single crochet, half double crochet, then double crochet in the next 3. Then repeat for a total of 5. Then once you have 5, slip stitch, skip chain, and then slip stitch here. Make a chain and leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Pull up the hook, then transfer the long tail at the center or in the middle of the stitches. For the petal, slip knot and chain of 28. Once you have 28, half double crochet second chain from the hook, and repeat half double crochet in each of the chain until to the last chain of the row. Then once you made to the last chain, you should have 27 half double crochet. Then chain of 3, then count 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and insert in the third and make a single crochet, and repeat a chain of 3, then count 3 chain, then single crochet. Repeat this until to the last stitch of the row. Then now turn your work, chain of 3, then 7 double crochet into this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then slip stitch under the single crochet here. Make a slip stitch. Then repeat this until to the last stitch of the row. Once done, leave a extra tail and cut the yarn. Then roll this one here. Now for the leaf, make a slip knot. Then chain of 9. Slip stitch second chain from the hook at the back of the chain. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Chain 1, then single crochet on this first chain or this first stitch here. Single crochet, half double crochet in the next, double crochet, 3 ball crochet in the next, another 3 ball crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, half double crochet, then single crochet in the last, and then chain of 2, and then do the same on the other side. Make a single crochet, then half double crochet, double crochet, 3 ball, another 3 ball, double crochet, half double crochet, then single crochet. And after that, make a slip stitch on this stitch, make a chain and cut the yarn.